Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our horizontal spreads for the next week in February, and I've got these sticker sheets ready to go, as well as this corkboard style cardstock and these sticker books which I pulled from. Okay, so this week is going to be a fun one. I got this idea to do a corkboard style spread when I was leafing through that cardstock book that you saw there earlier and saw that it had this corkboard background print in there, and I was like, oh, that'll be really cute as a spread. I did a spread in not exactly the same way, but kind of the same style as far as alternating the days. That was a Miss Maker sticker book spread, which I think I did about mid-year in 2019. And so I kind of want to do something similar again in this spread, but I'm going to use a corkboard on 4 of the days as backgrounds, kind of alternating the days, so it's not too overwhelming. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay them in here, figure out which days I want to put them on, and then I've got my Tombow runner here, glue runner, to stick them down. It was nice that the cardstock was 6 by 6, that's 6 inches by 6 inches, so that they pretty much fit perfectly in width on each day, and I just had to trim them down to fit between the horizontal spread layout. And then I'm just trying to center them between the black lines the best I can, since they're not perfectly cut. So it does look like they're trimmed out in the black. Next, I'm going to start laying in the day stickers that I pulled from the travel sticker book. Since each day that has the background covers completely the whole thing, so you don't get to see what day it is, I kind of figured I would need some day stickers to put in there. So I found some in the travel sticker book, and the color scheme, I just basically went off the color scheme that was available. There was like 1 or 2 types of each day sticker, but they were all in the same color, so I wasn't able to add any variety into the color scheme. I just wish there was a little bit more tonal difference on the right-hand side of the page. As you'll see, they seem pretty pink to orange tones, and there's not really a lot of variety like there is on the left side with the purple to greens to yellow. And now I'm laying in my checklist boxes, and I'm just going to alternate where I'm placing them. Make sure that they aren't stacked one on top of each other. And I'm not going to stick them down all the way, just in case I need to make some adjustments as far as positioning. The stickers come off the corkboard pretty well, but my actual paper sheets, the stickers tend to stick a little bit harder to that paper. Somebody mentioned that some papers that you buy are coated, and that they thought that the Happy Planner pages are coated. So the paper I'm using here is just regular copier paper or printer paper, and so it's probably not coated. That might be why there's a difference with the way the stickers are sticking to the paper. So like I said, I'm going to keep them light and airy off the page as much as possible while I figure out how I'm going to lay this guy out. And I also had to pull in this circle sticker from the Supermom sticker book because I could not find a colorful box that had that same purplish blue tone, unfortunately, but they did have circle stickers there in the Supermom sticker book. And in order to kind of make it feel balanced, I pulled one in the deep pink color at the bottom, just so it wasn't a one-off circle. To finish off that bottom part, I am putting in that Goals of the Week sticker, and then I will add in a few more pink stickers to give it its own color like the rest of the days. Now I'm laying in my checklists with the black clear heart stickers. I tried a few different options here. I tried a like banner style checklist and then like a really fine line version of that, but they were all just a little bit too bold and calling attention to themselves on the page. And since the corkboard is really the main focus of the spread, I did not want to draw the eye to that. So I found these subtle light little hearts, and I thought that would work for bullet points for the checklists. I wish I had some other options like just circles or something else, but these were all that I could find. Hearts and stars were my options, so I ended up with the hearts, and I think it looks pretty cute and is very subtle, which is what I was looking for. Also, those came out of the travel sticker book, surprisingly. There's a page of clear stickers in there that are like letters, like typewriter letters, and they're at the bottom of that page. And just trying to make some final adjustments there to the layout so that everything feels good. So I realized once I was done with this whole thing that I forgot to put in the little corners, like the peeled up corners that I was going to do on those monthly box stickers. So the one on Wednesday and the one on Sunday, I thought it'd be cute to actually draw in a corner like it's flipping up. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Look for that on the After the Pen probably, because I did not get to it in time to catch my Instagram photos or even the thumbnail. I also saw these really cute arrow stickers in the travel sticker book with the dotted line, and I just thought it would add a little extra something to the spread. So I pulled a few of those, and I'm going to figure out how I want to use them on the days. And I'm going to only use those on the white non-background days because I noticed that it was really hard to see things on top of the corkboard. So here comes the main thing that really drew me to the travel sticker book and kind of is bringing home the idea that this is a corkboard are those tiny little pins. Now those were in the travel sticker book, like I mentioned, for the map, so you could kind of map out where you've been or where you've traveled, but I thought they'd be super cute as little pins on like sheets of paper or sticky notes that you would have on your corkboard. So that was the idea there. And I'm going to put them basically on all of the square focus boxes. Making some adjustments here on Thursday. And then I'm going to add in here my little coffee moment on Wednesday, which I like to do. And just making some small adjustments so that the spread feels right. And I'm going to put in this last set of hearts for a checklist at the bottom. Adding in some more decor. I really like how this turned out. I think it came out super cute, and I'm looking forward to using this a ton next week. Hopefully I'll be feeling back to 100% and ready to go and get back into the routine of things. I'm just going to finish up putting in these last decor items, and then I think we will be done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!